Hello, my friends, and welcome to our next camping adventure. Cheers to you. Well, we have got a cold, gray day, which is pretty typical here in Indiana this time of year. But that's all right. I am still looking forward to getting down to that campground. So everyone out there, I appreciate y'all coming along on these little camping adventures. I truly do. So let's get red fired up. I'm buckled up. Y'all grab a beverage of choice, and I'll see you when we get there. You folks take care. Oops. Let's go. All right, my friends, well, we made it down here to camp. We got a nice little site here. It's not bad at all. We're on a kind of a downhill grade, but that's not too bad. Well, we got a little bit of bird activity. I can hear that already. But we're backed up here to a nice little valley, so that's pretty nice. So my friends, I think it's chilly, so I think the first thing we're going to do is get this campfire going. Appreciate y'all coming along. Y'all take care, and we'll catch up shortly. All right, my friends, let's get this fire going. Daggone. Get some gloves on my hands and get my jacket too. Daggone, it's cold out here. Or it's the breeze more than anything. So let's get this joker going. It's a little damp in here, but I think we will manage. I'm just not sure about the wind direction. It keeps shifting around. Daggone. In there, buddy. Let's put you here. Works pretty good. Stuff up like that. I want to get this fire going. I think I should have put my jacket on first. We do have some background noise, that's for sure. Let's organize you in here. Pretty good. Always afraid it's going to stay lit before I put it back in my pocket. All right, my friends, I'm going to tend to this, get this fire going real good, get a jacket, and get us some hot coffee. Woo! We got our power, friends. Now let's get that coffee. Ah, there we go. Whew. I'll be glad to get a hot cup of coffee in my hands here in a minute, my friends. Holy catfish. I think it's the breeze more than anything. Ooh. Oh, I forgot to put my little thing away. Daggone it. A little coffee measure and scoop. Cheers to you, my friends. We got us some hot coffee. Oh, that hits the spot, let me tell you. It's the temperatures aren't horrible. I mean, it's in the probably lower 30s, but it's the breeze cutting through here. And that joker's been whipping around. It's been going this way. Sometimes it'll come at me. Sometimes it'll go this way. It just can't make up its mind. I wish it would. Holy catfish. Ah. But it's just so nice to, even wind, temperatures, I mean, we can dress for it. And I got another set of clothes in there if we get too cold. Probably jump into those tomorrow morning. It's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be below freezing. I want to say in maybe the upper 20s. We'll see how it goes. Oh, but for dinner tonight, I'm planning on making some orange chicken and fried rice. Ooh. We'll see how that works out with this breeze. Oh, and the sauce for the orange chicken is so simple. It's 3 ingredients. That's all you need. I think of everything we got to cook tonight, the most difficult part, believe it or not, is going to be the fried rice. That's going to take the longest to do anything. And it's the campground version, and we'll get into that when it's dinner time. So, my friends, appreciate you hanging in there this far. I truly do. Here's to you. And I'm gonna play around with this fire a little bit, warm up, and then we'll get dinner going here directly. Y'all take care, and we'll catch up then. All right, my friends, I think I got everything pretty much organized. The first thing we want to do is our chicken. We're going to warm it up. It's already pre-cooked over the campfire. I think I shorted myself a little space here. That's all right. Yeah, this is our campground version. I'm going to fry chicken out here for this. So what I have here is from my local Kroger's is some lightly breaded chicken bites. They're already pre-cooked, so we basically just have to warm them up. Hopefully I got a big enough piece of foil here to do the job. We'll see. Wow, there we go. Yeah, that's not the best wrapping job I've ever done, but it's going to get the job done. All right, so I'm going to swing that grate over and get this over, not over the direct heat. We just need to warm this up, and everything else is going to take about 20 minutes. So let me get this on there, and we'll come back and get this rice going. All right, we're back. I'll just set you to the side. Now for our campground version of fried rice. We're going to definitely cheat a little bit. So what I picked up was a box of Chicken Helper chicken fried rice. But the only thing we need out of here is the rice and the little seasoning packet. First thing I'm going to do, and we're not going to completely follow the directions on the back for the rice by any means. It sounds like, I don't know what that is. It's like a big piece of machinery going down the road. So we're going to start out with 1.5 cups of water. And we may still have to add a little bit more water to it later. Because per the directions of the box, you cook your chicken and whatnot, then you throw everything else in there. So there's already additional moisture in the pan that we're not going to have. But I am going to put in 1 cup of chicken broth. There we go. Set you aside. And let's get in this joker. I like to get everything mixed up before I put the heat on it. Ah. Oh, that's what I was looking for. I thought I had them right here. There's our rice and our seasoning. Oh, good. There it is. I keep feeling like I've misplaced something. I don't understand it. You ever get that feeling? It's like, I think I'm forgetting something. Or I've misplaced something. There we go. Get that mixed together. There we go. And we'll put some heat on this joker. And we're going to give this about 10 minutes, then we're going to put our sauce together. So let me get this fired up. There we go. So I'm going to monitor this pretty closely because you definitely want to stir it from time to time, otherwise that rice is just going to adhere to the bottom of your pan. So I'm going to work on this, folks, and when we come back, we'll be ready to put that sauce together. Whoa! Just want to give it a quick stir here. We're just about halfway there. Oh, our breeze is picking up. Great. Let's start this sauce, my friends. I think I mentioned before, it's just 3 ingredients. Primary ingredient is orange marmalade. And you want to get the kind that's got the little pieces of the orange rind in there. And we want 2/3 of a cup of that joker. So let me somewhat organize here. Oh, it's cold. There you go. 1. Ooh, come off the spoon there, buddy. Ooh, that was a big scoop. That looks pretty good. Now, I'm going to set you right there for now. So I brought, this joker's sticky, so brought something to put that in. All right, the next thing we need what is that, quarter? Yeah, a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you want to. I've got, standby Sweet Baby Ray's. Probably cold too. Yep. Come on now, get all down to the bottom. Almost there. There we go. Put that in there. And the last ingredient we need for our 3-ingredient orange sauce, soy sauce. So we're going to throw in 2 tablespoons. And what's really, well, you won't be using that joker. Now what's really nice about this is you can add or take away things to give it the consistency or the taste that you like. This works for me pretty well. All right, my friends, I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, that's better. I don't want to use a metal spoon in my pan. And we're going to give this a good mixing. Give me a second. This will take a minute. All right, that rice looks pretty good and done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fire this joker up. Turn the heat down a little bit, just a little bit. We got a little bit more to do that rice yet. We're going to put this on a low heat, and it should just wait till it just starts to bubble or simmer, and then we're going to throw our chicken in there. So give me a second, my friends. I'm going to go get that chicken off the fire and put some stuff away. I really shorted myself on this cook on this table. I'll tell you what. All right, my friends, we got our chicken over here. Be careful. Imagine these temperatures out here, that's going to cool down pretty quick. All right, yep, our sauce is ready to go. Does not take long for that to come up. I turned the temperature on the rice down for a minute so it doesn't get overdone. We're just going to take our chicken carefully. It's hot. The best we can. Well, it's not so bad. We're just going to dump it right in there. Some of them stuck. All right. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Give them a good washing around in there. Get them good and coated. And we're going to let that go for just a few minutes, and then we'll do our final touch on our rice here. All right, my friends, our last and final step. This is an optional step. Technically, it's ready. It's good to go. But we're going to scramble up a couple of eggs and drop it in that fried rice. Now, let me just set you down before I drop and bust one. Huh. This one's stuck in its little package. You ever have that happen? Well, I'll tell you what, I think I know a way around it. There's always a way around something. That's quite good enough. I've already moved the rice to the side a little bit. Ooh. Let's get this going. And as soon as the eggs are done, we'll be done, my friends. Go ahead and turn the heat back on that. All right, my friends, we're ready to plate up, finally. Whew. Took a minute. The rice took longer than anything. I think altogether, once the chicken got hot, this took like 5 minutes. Set that to the side for now. Put some of our rice out here. I do have the burner shut off. Oh, that's more than plenty. And our chicken. I should have brought a bigger spoon. I think that's good enough. I got a few pieces left in there for seconds. Should we so desire? Holy cow. And one last thing, optional too. Let's just set this aside. Sesame seeds. Sprinkle those over our chicken. Oh, let's throw some on the rice too. What the heck? All right, my friends. Well, I'll see you over at the dinner table. We're ready to eat. All right, my friends. So I can get in here without getting my jacket in our dinner. Oh, it smells fantastic. Holy catfish. Well, I'll be careful. Get into a piece of this chicken here. I like using the lightly breaded chicken. I mean, it's pre-cooked stuff, but it really absorbs that orange sauce really well. Oh, that's spot on. Woo! My goodness, that is good. Cheers, my friends. Hands are a little cold. My nose is running too, daggone. See how our rice turned out for our cheating version fried rice. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, in all honesty, the helper version of the fried rice, there's a flavor there, but it's not much. But I think that goes really well with the orange chicken to help cut that sweet, because there's definitely, and even though we added barbecue sauce, you don't taste the barbecue sauce at all. Oh my goodness, that is good. Oh, pardon me. Well, my friends, I'm going to tear into dinner here. Well, actually, I'm going to hop up real quick, because our fire's about gone. Throw a couple logs on there, and then I'm going to get back into dinner. Appreciate y'all hanging in there. Y'all take care, and we'll catch up after dinner. That is so good, my friends. Holy cow. All right, my friends. Made us one last pot of coffee for the evening, because it is getting dark fast. Whew. Cheers to you, my friends. Oh. I'll tell you what, my friends, for something you can whip up at home pretty easy and not all that expensive, man, that is a good dinner. Holy catfish. But yeah, sauce, 3 ingredients: orange marmalade, your preferred barbecue sauce, and soy sauce. The only thing you want to be careful about is you want to bring it up to temperature slowly, because you don't want to make syrup. You get it too hot and too bubbling, yeah, it's gonna turn into syrup. So you just got to monitor it. But man, if the chicken's done and it just gets to that point, bringing it up slowly where it just starts to boil, toss that chicken in there, give it a good mix, throw a lid on it, and 5 minutes, give it another stir, and you're good to go. Holy cow. Oh. Well, my friends, other than the occasional road noise that I keep hearing, it's been pretty peaceful back here. And in all, it's been a pretty nice trip. I've been, right now, I don't feel too bad temperature-wise. There's been a couple moments that, oh yeah, I definitely felt a chill. And I know there's going to be a chill in the morning, but I'm prepared for that. Well, my friends, I'm going to throw another log on this fire here in a second and let dinner digest. Now we've got all our cleanups done. We've got the heater fired up and red, so we'll be good to go for tonight. And just relax. And hopefully the traffic settles down. Everybody out there, appreciate y'all coming along. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the morning. I hear squirrels. I hope the camera can pick that up. They're barking and chirping at each other back here. My friends, it is definitely cold this morning. Holy catfish. So right now, let's get us a nice hot cup of coffee for our hands. That's going to come in handy. Ooh. Let's get some water in here. Good morning, campers. Cheers, my friends. About halfway through this cup of coffee. It's been pretty nice out here. It's cold, don't get me wrong, but fortunately I brought some different layers for this morning because these mornings have been getting chillier and chillier out here, especially, well, it's February. But unfortunately we got another gray day. We're going to have gray days probably for the next month. That's just typical here in Indiana. But oh my gosh, it was just so nice to get out here and get away from things for a while. It's just a great way for me to end a week. And dinner was great too. And I was a little, I guess, ambitious, to try that down here at the campground. But man, it worked out really well. And it's just, for our orange chicken, it's just a simple, 3-ingredient sauce. And you can make that sauce your own if I didn't mention it already. But anyway, I digress, my friends. I'm going to finish my coffee here, finish packing Red up, and head back to the city. It is what it is. Well, everybody out there, I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you coming along on my little camping adventures. I truly do. This was a nice one. Chilly or not. So everyone out there, y'all take care. And as always, I'll see you soon. Go birds.